Hey everybody, made another little video. I didn't do any really good sound with it, so what we're going to do something a little different this time. I'm going to narrate this thing, sorta, to the best of my ability. So, we have this screen right here, this shot that you're seeing. And so what we're going to do is, I'm going to shrink this down and try to figure out which way I'm going to go. So I will be over in this, I think I'm going to go down this lower corner of the video, and then what we'll have on the back behind me here will be the front view looking out of the tractor, and then up here there's a small deal that's going to actually show the back of the brush hog. And it's just basically going to be out doing a little cleanup around some areas there. We're trying to beat some rain that may be coming in late tonight. Well, not tonight when you see the video, but tonight. Great. Anyway, so we're going to go to do that. So we're going to start here in just a second. And we're going to see how this kind of goes. I got the two cameras on and just climbed onto the tractor, starting it up. And we'll head over. There's a little pile of grass and some other stuff over here I'm going to push out of the way. It's been sitting over here rotting for quite a while. So I've got an old area where a tree, I don't know if any of y'all have seen the videos ahead, where I had the tree over here that I eventually had to cut down. I would wait on the wife, her and the grandson are riding around on the board. And so I'm going to let them kind of slip by me here. And then I'm going to head over here and start pushing some of this stuff up around where that old tree is. Eventually, later after stuff dries up a little bit more in this area here, I will then just build a bonfire on top and burn the whole tree stump down and everything. So what we're going to do here, like I said, is just kind of go around and put some of this stuff up into a pile around the tree. And while we're kind of doing this here, kind of give you guys a little update on that, on what's going on with me. For those that don't know, I had quadruple bypass heart surgery. About the middle of April, somewhere around there is when I had it. Actually had the surgery. So it's been about 5-6 weeks I've been out. I'm still not supposed to really do a lot with strenuous with my arms and stuff, but that doesn't mean I can't get out and drive around on a tractor and do some stuff on that. Still wearing a portable defibrillator. Then also, let's see, June 7th, I got an appointment that I'm going to go ahead and go to the eye specialist, and we'll see if they can do anything about the eye. I'm not very optimistic about it, but we'll see. Anyway, that's just kind of a little update on my health here. So anyway, like I said, I'm kind of pushing all this up, pile, so have it kind of spread out there. And probably set a little bracket there. I guess you can set little brackets up on the front end loader with those wires hanging down. Eventually, I'm going to go ahead and put the backup camera system on here. Just going to start working on it before I had all these heart problems. Well, that just didn't happen. So anyway, like I said, that's where I was going to mount a camera up there. Originally, I was thinking about putting the monitor dead center of the dash up top of the steering wheel. I'm kind of thinking I'm going to change my mind. I'm going to build a mount. It'll mount over there, kind of where you've got the joystick for the front end loader, over in that area there. Up far enough to where you don't hit it when you're pushing the deal. You're kind of off to the side there, so I got to look at what it's going to take for me to construct mountain housing for the monitor over there, or something that I can easily take off if I want to. And so that's kind of the reason I didn't want to go up to on top. And then also it would be easier for me to get the wires down and around under the hood from that area there. So anyway, like I said, kind of do some little pushing in here, a little bit of back dragging and stuff. We still got a ways to go on this video, so I'm probably going to pop off here for a little while, and then I'll come back a little later and do a little bit more narrating. So anyway, I'm going to disappear from right down here. I'll be back in a little while. So we'll throw some music on or something if I don't already have it on. I'm back. Right in here, there's some tomato plants in there that we just didn't do a lot of clearing around. A lot of stuck some cages around them. We had them planted in rows like the other ones, but like I said, it was right before I had the issues with the heart and ended up in the hospital. So we lost some of the plants. Trying to salvage what we can in the other rows a little bit. Maybe get some tomatoes this year. So anyway, kind of just mowing through here in an area that I don't want the little cub cadet to go through yet, because I don't have it totally cleared out. So that's why I'm using the brush hog. make one little trip right through here. Kind of clean up a little closer to that old chicken coop thing there. Eventually I'm going to take that down. Probably this fall when all this overgrowth dies back a little bit. There's a lot of bees that nest up in all this brush around here, so you gotta kind of be careful if you're plowing through it. Now I'm going to park this thing for a little while and call it quits for a little bit. I do some more mowing a little later on, but I didn't video that. I just videoed this first part. I didn't do too much. I just went out and mowed the ditch a little bit. Anyway, that's about it. Like I said, slowly getting back to it. I'm going to make a video about the brush hog because I got one of the pins on it that no matter how tight I tighten it up, it keeps coming loose. So I'm going to kind of go over that, throw out some stuff, see if anybody else has experienced problems like that on theirs, and if so, how to, if they got an idea of how to do it. I'm thinking I'm just going to go ahead and tighten the pin back up there. I'm going to weld it. It's got the collar, put some welds on it so that even, so the pin itself can't turn. Because I know that's what's happening. It's either that or the, over on the part where the nut is, because the brush hog, and you'll see it in the other video, the brush hog has a brace that comes up and then like this goes to that top length 3-point, that little frame, and it pivots there. And that is, I guess, designed so that, you know, as you go over back, it'll allow that back of that hog to come up and down instead of lifting the whole arms up and down. Well, what it does is, because these little frame there that is held in place by the top 3-point and the two lower arms, as this pivots up and down, that between the brush hog and the upper arm here that's like this, it does this. And you got your pin bolt going through there with a nut and a lock washer on it, and so it just unscrews it. But it only does it on one side. The other side, I guess, it keeps trying to tighten it up. I don't know. But I'm thinking about welding it up. But I'll do a video on it explaining what's kind of going on there. And we'll see if anybody else out there has experienced that and what their solution is. Like I said, mine right now is I'm just going to go ahead and weld the damn pin in. And if the nut wants to come a little bit loose, it can. It just seems to me like it's a dumb design. But I've seen a lot of them out there like that. It just seems to me it's a dumb design. You got the stuff where it's pivoting on bolts with threads. There's no bushings, no way to grease it anyway. You're eventually going to wear the bolts in half and the pins in half and everything else. So anyway, that's about it. Till the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Bye. you.